हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड। सो जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मई 20th को यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विस का प्रीलिम्स है। नेक्स्ट फ्यू वीक्स विच आर देयर बिफोर दिस डी डे इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। द रिजल्ट ऑन 28 May truly depends on the things which you do for the next few coming weeks. The way you channelize your studies better, the way you manage your time better. So in this video, I will be discussing with you all how to make use of this 75 days effectively so the results on 20th May is positive for you. So you can reach up Labasna. This video will be discussing about the do's and don'ts which an aspirant needs to follow. It has been derived from my experience while talking to my friends who are giving interview and my even experience of clearing this exam. So it's time to buckle up your shoes. अगर आपने अभी तक अपना प्रिपरेशन शुरू नहीं किया है, सीरियस प्रिपरेशन, so it's high time guys, you have to prepare yourself. You have to study for 12 to 13 hours per day. Strategize your thing in such a way that you're not wasting your times now. आपने अगर अभी भी ऑप्शनल का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, अगर अभी भी आप आंसर राइटिंग कर रहे हो, सो प्रीलिम्स बहुत टफ होते जा रहे हैं. डू नॉट फॉलो द ओल्ड स्ट्रैटेजी ऑफ 3-4 years बैक जहाँ पर प्रीलिम्स ईजी होता था, ईजिली कैन क्लियर इट. बट अभी प्रीलिम भी बहुत थियोरेटिकल होते जा रहा है. सो इसके लिए आपको ज़्यादा पढ़ना है. सो अगर आप अभी भी मेंस लिख रहे हो, अभी भी प्रीलिम्स ऐसे राइटिंग कर रहे हो, सो इट विल डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. सो इट्स हाई टाइम दैट यू चैनलाइज योर टाइम, मैनेज योर टाइम प्रॉपरली. एक टाइम टेबल बनाओ फॉर 14 hours. अगर आप टाइम टेबल 14 hours का बना रहे हो, फॉर श्योर यू विल मेकिंग 11-12 hours एटलीस्ट यू विल बी डूइंग इट. और दिस इज द टाइम नाउ, लाइक if you give your 100%, then the career will give you, the future will give you 200% back. So May 28 ka positive to as well as negative totally depends on you, how you channelize your things properly. और मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग पीपल मिस आउट इट इज लाइक, अभी बहुत सारे मार्केट में मटेरियल आएंगे, बहुत सारे शॉर्ट नोट, बहुत XYZ इंस्टीट्यूट के शॉर्ट नोट्स आएंगे. सो यू विल बी टेंड, लाइक योर फ्रेंड्स विल बी रिफरिंग दैट. सो आप भी टेंड हो गए लाइक, ओके आई विल ऑल्सो रीड दोज मटीरियल्स. यू विल कीप द मटीरियल्स विच यू हैव रेड फॉर दिस मेनी ईयर्स एंड यू विल गो फॉर द न्यू मटीरियल देयर. सो दैट विल बी द बिगेस्ट हर्डल इन योर वे ऑफ क्लियरिंग दिस एग्जाम. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर विथ योर बुक लिस्ट. मेन्स के लिए बुक लिस्ट अलग होता है, प्रीलिम्स के लिए बुक लिस्ट अलग होता है. So एक aspirant को it is very important that he needs to segregate that. In my example, in my geography strategy video, in my polity strategy video, in my environment strategy video, I had given you detailed analysis of 30 minutes how to cover that subject. But that was from prelims, mains, both the aspects. But now it is the time, like 75 days are remaining. So now it is important that you strategize your thing कि book list क्या है ideal. Okay, इसके लिए ये 2 book list है, इसके लिए 2. I should not go beyond this. So this should be your core focus now for next few days. And most important thing is like important themes and chapter. Look at the previous year question papers and make sure you're deriving important theme. किस theme से ज़्यादा question पूछे जा रहे हैं? Okay, fundamental right से पूछ रहा है, so you have to be very thorough with the fundamental right. Pollution से ज़्यादा question पूछ रहा है, you have to be very sure. National efforts में question पूछे जा रहे हैं, you have to be very clear in that. Geography में mapping based question, 50-60% of the questions are mapping based. People are going for human geography and all. Human geography important नहीं है. So mapping based questions are important. So important themes, हर एक subject में 5 to 6 important themes होंगे. You have to make and study that themes only in detail to score high marks in this exam. I repeat, to score high marks, you have to derive important themes. And do not go by the fixed material. Market में बहुत सारे important, okay, these are the important chapters. नहीं, आप नहीं कर पाओगे. You have to make sure, give next 4 days just to analyze PYQs of at least 3-4 years and write out the chapter's name. और वही chapter में जो important है, you have to study in depth, you have to Google things there. Now it is a time for revision and only revision. अगर in case नहीं like I have missed few chapters now, I have to study few more topics now, do it for more 10 days. But after 10 days, if you're going for any new this thing, it will be very difficult. Revise the thing, revise the NCRTs, revise the PYQs, revise the static book like Shankarayal, Lakshmikant, etc. Like whichever books you're comfortable with, do revise it. Weekly revision targets rako, like Monday to Saturday which you're studying, make sure you're revising that on Sunday. So according to your this thing, some people revise daily, I go for weekly revision. So this is an important priority now, you have to revise. And as I told you previously, previous year important plays a pre-roll. अगर आपकी PYQ papers जो है from 30, I will suggest you from 2013 onwards. लेकिन if you go उसके भी back जाओगे like 2001, 2003, it will be good. Just take it as a revision and do that. But if you have no time now, you have to refer PYQs from 2014 onwards. And PYQ should be in your bag, on your study table, in your library, wherever you go. Without PYQ and map, do not go anywhere. I'm telling you, every day, whatever the subject is, okay, आप जब पॉलिटी पढ़ रहे हो लेकिन क्वेश्चन इकोनॉमिक में आ रहा है समझो PYQ में, no, you just watch those PYQs, just read the PYQ language, because अभी क्या होता है कि many people just solve vision test series, IS Baba test series, Shankar test series, next IS test series and etc like that. But that is not the way. UPSC का language is totally different. So next 45 days, next 75 days में you make sure that every day 10 questions of PYQs you are just reading that question. Knowledge is not important, just reading to know the language of that question. Automatically you will get the answers. अगर हो रहा है, अगर within next 1 month you have completed reading the PYQ, again go to the same PYQ. You will find something new. Go dissect each and every options there. 4 options होते हैं. Each and every option should be dissected like it is done in an OT room. Each and every question should be dissected. Okay, अगर इसमें एक पे question आया, so okay, you should be, your mindset should be like you should think, okay, अभी A पे आया question, so the question can be on B now. So you have to dissect even the B options now in your mind. So such brainstorming needs to be done for PYQs. It is very important. Test series and review. Go for any test series. All test series are designed by people who have experience of 3-4 years. डू नॉट इमेजिन लाइक टेस्ट सीरीज जो होते हैं मार्केट में कि इसमें बहुत सारे 50-25 years एक्सपीरियंस वाले टीचर्स विच यू वॉच ऑन यूट्यूब, दे विल नेवर एवर गो फॉर पेपर सेटिंग योर प्रीलिम्स पेपर, मेंस पेपर. इट वाज ओनली डन बाय पीपल who have 4-5 years of experience. So, and UPSC papers are prepared by people who have 25-30 years of experience. That too, they have a panel of 7-8 members. So 25 into 8, you just imagine, and person preparing for 4 years, he sets your paper. So, okay, go for any test series which you're convenient with the language which you're convenient. But review of the test series is very important. Each and every option, as I told you, has to be reviewed. Just with the sake, okay, इसने बोला कि 50 test series solve करना, 100 test series solve. Just solving that test doesn't matter. But analyzing that test, okay, मैं तो during my prelims and all, when I cleared it, I used to never go by the solution which is given, because I knew they will just copy paste it from Lakshmika, they will just copy paste with GC Leong. So what I used to do, like I used to keep a Chrome, like mobile में Chrome open होता था, I used to just search that option there and used to find content, and my knowledge used to get enriched there. So instead of, okay, now you can go for solution as well as you can do this, and if you are like very comfortable, you can just use Chrome for that and search for answers there. It will be more, and the content will be more enriched there. And most important, अभी बहुत सारे PT65 मैगजीन्स आ रहे हैं मार्केट में, वेरियस इंस्टीट्यूट्स आर कमिंग अप विद, बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट से लाइक हाँ हमारा मैगजीन इज द बेस्ट, हमारा मैगजीन इज द बेस्ट, शॉर्ट नोट्स मैगजीन है. Don't fall to that trap. I'm telling you, limit your current affairs. You must have seen last 2 years the value of static portion is increasing. So you have to cope up with your preparation in similar way. अगर आप current affairs पढ़े जा रहे हो like 7-8 documents छोड़ रहे, and there is an institute which gives short current affairs in a book 300 and they will show 30 questions from there. अरे 400 pages के book में एक कौन सा तो line दे के वो बोल रहे कि 30 question आए. That is not at all a way. So you have to, if you want positive result, you have to limit your current affairs to particular aspect. If you are referring daily newspapers, well and good, no need to go for any current affairs magazine. And for current affairs also, there are few important subjects, like current affairs of environment is very important, current affairs of economy is very important. So इसी तरह से आपको current affairs में 3-4 जो subject है, those are only important. So वही पढ़ो, that to use it sparingly. Example, Vision As का PT65 magazine था, 130 पेज का एनवायरमेंट मैगजीन था, उसमें हार्डली आई फाउंड लाइक अराउंड 30 पेजेस आर इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इट इज बेस्ड ऑन माई एक्सपीरियंस एंड एनालाइजिंग PYQ. सो यू शुड बी इन सच स्टेज दैट ओके यू आर डूइंग इट. मैंने यही चैनल पे PT65 पॉलिटी किया है. Look, in 1 hour I have completed the entire PT65 polity of Vision Eyes. Of course, the magazine is very good, but it depends on the aspirants which how he is using it. So मैंने कितने short में I've handwritten the notes there. You can just watch that video and see how a current affairs magazine should be approached, and make sure like you're not referring to a magazine for more than 2 days. That 130 page magazine, you should hardly do it for 1 or 1.5 day. That's it. That should be your focus. That's what I'm trying to limit to the current affairs. Now time management is very important. Management time in attending papers as well. आपने देखा होगा people just attend papers for 2.5 hours, 3 hours they are attending 100 questions. But UPSC is giving it 2 hours. That's why people fail in prelims. They like, we are not able to manage time. So keep a timer of 1 hour, 45 minutes and attend test. That is more important. What 46 minutes, leave the question paper now and then itself. आफ्टर दैट यू एनालाइज, ओके मैंने ये क्वेश्चन पे ज्यादा टाइम दे दिया इसलिए मेरा टाइम नहीं हुआ. सो यू शुड डू लाइक दैट. 3-4 राउंड्स ऑफ पेपर सॉल्विंग टेक्निक्स आते हैं. ओके मैं 4 राउंड्स कर रहा हूँ, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू इट, सो लिमिटेड टू 3 hours. डो नॉट गो बाय द यूट्यूब ट्रेंड्स. ओके 4 बोल रहे, 3 बोल रहे, डू नॉट गो. As per is your convenience, you should be able to manage time. I'm talking this in terms of test series aspect, but also by reading polity. Suppose you're reading Lakshmikant, so you have to, like, now is the time you should revise Lakshmikant in 2 days. That took 3 revisions are very important. Shankara is applicable. Similar thing is applicable. Like within 2 days, you should revise once again after 1 month again for 1 week before the exam. So in such, the speed should be such, and you should manage your time like that. Channel is doing for 12 hours per day, and you will be able to do it. And most important, believe in yourself. इफ़ यू आर लाइक अरे होगा कि नहीं मेरा प्रीलिम्स, अगर मैं फेल हो जाऊंगा तो फेल होने के बाद क्या होगा, मैं घर में क्या बताऊंगा, लाइक इफ दिस आर द थिंग्स विच आर गोइंग ऑन, आई कैन बेट यू विल नेवर क्लियर दैट. जस्ट सी द प्रेजेंट टेंस विच इज गोइंग ऑन. आज मुझे प्रिपरेशन करना है, आज मेरा टारगेट ये है, एम आई एबल टू अचीव दैट टारगेट. मेरा वीकली टारगेट ये है, मैं अचीव कर पा रहा हूँ कि नहीं. एम आई एबल टू 1 hour 45 minutes में टेस्ट सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं, कि द 2 hours में मैं एक्चुअल एग्जाम में सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. सो बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ दैट यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. Look at the dreams which you had taken up while coming up to this UPSC field. It is a big circle here, but you have to you need one seat for that. So for that, you have to believe in, keep aside the anxiety, depression phase which is there right now, and you have to focus on yourself. Have a enriched good food as well to bring more connectivity in your studies. So now, and most important things, MCQs जो होते हैं, as I told you, previous MCQs देखो. So for that, डिराइव एनवायरमेंट के क्वेश्चन, दे जस्ट नीड कॉमन सेंस. अरे जो थिंग्स आप आसपास में देख रहे हो उससे ही 4-5 क्वेश्चन एनवायरमेंट के सॉल्व हो रहे हैं. उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा एनसीईआरटी, एक्स्ट्रा बड़े बड़े बुक्स की जरूरत नहीं है. डिराइव ट्रिक्स आउट ऑफ इट. डू नॉट गो बाय द यूट्यूब वीडियोस, ट्रिक्स टू सॉल्व यूपीएससी पेपर. डू नॉट, दैट विल बी द मोस्ट ब्लंडरस थिंग विच यू विल बी डूइंग. You derive the trick yourself which are working there. Okay, GK knowledge is very important. General knowledge, people are studying for 12-13 hours but they do not rely on general knowledge. Okay, Sunset TV, the previous video which was Sunset TV, go for such videos instead of some random YouTube videos. Look how they discuss. That will be useful in your prelims as well. So that is very important. Common sense, tricks and general knowledge to solve paper has to be derived by yourself is most important thing which an aspirant has to be keep in mind. So next important thing is CSAT. People are focused for 75 days. I have seen people studying all 75 days only for GS, and ultimately in the CSAT they are failing. So this should not be the way. If you ask me, my score was always above the cutoff which is there. So if I have to tell you, every day, if you're weak, every day give half an hour, not more than that, for CSAT. Like for 75 days, if you just give half an hour, it will be around 40-45 hours, right? So one day you just do passages, one day and लास्ट 7 years की PYQ, लास्ट 8-9 years की PYQ CSAT के निकालो. Just all that. Do not go by any, because their language is totally different. Again, I'm telling you the things which I told you here is applicable here also. Just okay, now today for half an hour solve 3-4 passages. Tomorrow solve 10-15 questions. Again passage question. Derive tricks out of it. Do not go by that formula approach. It will not work because 80 question 2 hours. It is like a false thing that formulas and all will work. Okay, if you're good in passages, go for passages. Plus, you should be good in mental ability question also. Like 50% at least आप solve कर पाते, ये level का होना चाहिए आपका preparation. Do not go like, okay, I'm good in passages, I will not study passages, I can handle. No, this is not the trend. Even CAT people, I have seen my CAT aspirants जिन्होंने CAT clear किया, they have done the MBAs. I have seen them failing in CSAT. So what is the reason? Every day knowledge is required. Last 10 days में कर लूँगा, that will never work. You have to do it on regular basis. So these are the points which you have to keep in mind. Again, I'm telling you, analyzing the time management, PYQs are the thing which are important, and for sure you will rock on 20th May. In the next videos, I will be discussing each of the sub points in depth. What is the exclusive book list for the subject? How you have to manage time. I will talk about anxiety depression phase also. I will make a detailed video how to make common sense use in that. How to clear CSAT. I will give you some short tricks in that. So this will be the further course of the video. Thank you for watching it.